And I'ma do it diligent, I'm looking for a synonym. I'm trying to find out words to tell him I ain't even feeling this. Your love will never be deficient in. But see, you could wake up and then take me like a vitamin. I learned the hard way to let go now and save my soul.